Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a true gaming enthusiast, then you're in for a real treat today. We're going to be taking a look at the MT6 10,000 Games 4K HD video arcade game console. This incredible console is a must-have for any serious gamer, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. First of all, this console comes loaded with over 10,000 games, including classics from PS1, FC, GBA, GBC, and MD, just to name a few. With such a huge library of games, you'll never run out of new and exciting titles to play. Whether you're a fan of action, adventure, sports, or puzzle games, this console has something for everyone. Not only does the MT6 provide an extensive range of games, but it also offers stunning 4K HD video quality. The graphics are incredibly sharp and detailed, making for an immersive gaming experience like no other. And with HDMI-compatible support, you can easily connect it to your TV for an even more impressive display. Not all the dual controller joystick allows for precise and responsive gameplay, while the 3D feature adds an extra layer of depth to your favorite games. With all of these advanced features, you'll feel like you're right in the heart of the action every time you play. So, if you're ready to take your gaming experience to the next level, look no further than the MT6 10,000 Games 4K HD video arcade game console. It's the ultimate gaming console for any true enthusiast. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Click the link in the description below to get your hands on one today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.